Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, March 18th, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. This video is titled, Why Consistency is Your Best Friend in Achieving Long-Term Success. All right, so again, we're getting back to consistency as being the major player in being successful when it comes to not only marketing online or making money from home, but anything in life. Right? Consistency is the key. I say it in all of my videos. So if you've never seen any of my videos before, my name again is Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years, and I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. Now, before I started staying consistent, I was jumping from program to program to program, right? I had severe case of shiny object syndrome. I would make a little bit of money here and there, but whenever a new opportunity presented itself, I would jump onto that opportunity. And I never really got to where I wanted to be until I finally started staying consistent. And once I started staying consistent, that's when I started having success. So consistency is the key. That's all there is to it. It doesn't matter what program you're in, what opportunity you're in, what you're trying to sell or share with other people. If you're not staying consistent, you're not going to be winning, okay? It's as simple as that. Because what consistency brings to you by doing it, by staying consistent, is it builds momentum for you, which is huge, right? You want momentum. So by staying consistent, you're building momentum. You are creating positive habits, all right? And we all know that if you do, they say if you do something for 30 days in a row, it becomes a habit. All right, so it doesn't take long to start being consistent. You just have to pick a small actionable step every single day and do it. So for me, I like to make sure that I do a post on Facebook, and I like to do a post on my YouTube community platform. And then I like to, if I have time, which I usually do, I try to create a video, or I try to go live. Okay, and then each week I try to send out my mailings, which I have right here. Okay, I'm headed to the shop right now, and I got a bunch of these. I'm headed to the shop right now to pack up some soap orders, and then I'm going to the post office to drop off those orders and to mail out my letters. Okay, so you don't have to make this difficult or overcomplicate things. You just have to pick out a small actionable step that you can do each and every day and do it for 30 days in a row, and it will become a natural habit for you. It'll be something that you do every single day. And when you start doing these things, you're going to boost your confidence because you're going to start seeing results over time. And once you start seeing results, then it's game over. Then it's like you wake up looking forward to doing these steps and staying consistent. Because that's the only thing that separates the people who are having success online or success in anything in life compared to those that aren't. It's just the ones who are having success are staying consistent with whatever it is that they're doing. And people who aren't having success aren't taking action, or they're not staying consistent. So I highly, highly, highly recommend you start taking small actionable steps today, do them for 30 days, and then once you create one habit, get into start just creating positive habits, right? So once you have one habit that you've locked in and you're doing every single day now, do something else that's positive. It might be reading 10 minutes every day, or 20 minutes, or 30 minutes, or it might be exercising, it might be trying to eat better. Whatever it is that you're trying to do it for 30 days and you'll start getting results. All right, it builds momentum, it boosts your confidence, you'll start seeing results over time, and there's nothing better than when you start seeing results. All right, so when people reach out to me like, how do you get all these people to sign up to your programs? The answer is, it's just I'm staying consistent, which most people don't do. Most people sign up for an opportunity and then they're down the road in a couple of weeks. Or they'll send out 200 postcards and they don't make $1,000 in a week, and then they quit. And they say it doesn't work. Well, that's not the case. The majority of opportunities online, there are some scams, obviously, but the majority of them, they're fine. It's not the product or the service. It's you not staying consistent, not showing up every day, not willing to take action and stay consistent every single day. And that's what it takes to win. And I know I talk about it in all my videos, but it's like this, I'm staying consistent. You know, I'm sharing with you what works for me and what works for other people. All right. And if you want to be successful, you find somebody who is successful at what it is that you want to do, and you follow what they're doing. And that's all it is. There's no magic push button. There's no special secret formula. There's none of that. It's just staying consistent. Anybody can do what I do, or what all the other 2% of people online that have success. You can do what we all do. It's just that we stay consistent. We show up every day. We take massive action, and we stay consistent. All right? So let me know in the comments what you're going to do. What small actionable step are you going to start today and do for the next 30 days? All right? It could be sending out an email. It could be doing a post on Facebook. It could be, whatever it is. Let me know down in the comments. Okay? So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. This all helps me out. I greatly appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're looking for any opportunities, maybe you're brand new to marketing, or maybe you're just looking to add another income stream, you can go to joinruss.com. Okay, joinruss.com. This has all of my opportunities that I'm a part of. Check them out. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out, okay? So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.